I'm going to show you the difference between the Zoom H5 Studio, which I'm speaking into now, a pair of Clippy little lavalier mics in some rubber ears to make a little binaural stereo setup, and the Osmo Pocket 3's internal mics. Zoom's XY mics are really cool. No problems there. You can definitely hear the Clippies get wider. Listen in headphones. And then holy cow, crisp and clear, the Osmo really rocks. Check this out. You can hear it, but you can totally see that the Osmo Pocket 3 has a built-in limiter.